introducing one of my teammates, Mr. Shahjahan Khan, who is again a old friend of ours and who has been continuously helping us in this particular program. Mr. Shahjahan Khan is in MCOM and MCA, and he is pursuing his MPhil. He is a program coordinator in Srimati Kamlabin Gambhir Chand Shah, Department of Computer Applications under the BMN College of Home Science. He is also the coordinator for the junior IT course from 2004 till date, which is a big responsibility, let me tell you. Associate Professor in BCA, that is Bachelor of Computer Applications from June 2001, and member on the ad hoc Board of Studies of BSc IT under the Faculty of Technology of SNDT University from 8th April 2012 to 2014. And one thing I can tell you about this person, that even though he's shouldering a lot of responsibilities, he's always approachable to the students, and that's the best feedback which any teacher can get from his students. So a humble person, a person who's always available at your beck and call, and who's always here at our beck and call. So I thank you. I welcome Shahjahan for that.
Thank you, sir. Career in BCA. If you want to go for software development, according to me, this is one of the best career. Next. The objective of this BCA course is to produce trained professionals in software technology needed for ongoing research in computer application within the country and abroad. Some detail about this course. Duration of this course is 3 years, which contains 6 semesters. The number of seats available is 60 per division. It depends on the college whether they have 1 division or 2 division. There are many colleges which has 2 divisions. Why to join BCA? Those who are good in logical reasoning, those who want to acquire technical and mechanical skills, ability to work in team, who want to constantly update knowledge, those who are interested in high technology, who are good in communication skill and aptitude of learning new language can go for BCA. BCA course is open to all the students who have completed 12th standard with an aggregate 45%. For caste student is 40%. And those who have completed 3 years full-time diploma in engineering with 45% can also go for BCA. And those who have completed 3 years full-time diploma with aggregate percentage more than 60, they can get a directly admission to second year of BCA. Here the beauty of BCA course is there is no restrictions of mathematics. If you don't opt mathematics in 11th and 12th standard, they can go for BCA. But they have to go through a bridge course during their course time in the first year. The main objective of this course is to give students some mathematical background and prepare them for a higher mathematics in their BCA syllabus. This is the syllabus of BCA course where they have English, accounts, mathematics, and most of all or software development. If you see C, C++, all that. This is third semester and fourth semester where you will have COA, numerical mathematics, microprocessors, C++. All these are softwares. It's mainly focused on software development. Whenever I come here, mostly students ask me what is the difference between BCA, BSc IT and BSc Computer Science. The first is eligibility. A BCA course, it's open for all this stream. Art students can join BCA. Where in the case of BSc IT and BSc Computer Science, science students can go for BSc IT and BSc Computer Science with mathematics. Where in the case of BCA, if you not taken maths in 11th and 12th standard, even art students can go for BCA. They can be a software developer. The universities offer BCA course. SNDT Women's University, Pune University offer this. Indira Gandhi National Open University, Yashwantrao Chauhan Open University offer this BCA course. Mumbai University doesn't offer BCA course. It offers equivalent course BSc IT and computer science. They have MC. They have MC. The job opportunities after BCA, there are a wide scope of job opportunities. The students can be a system analyst, system programmer, system manager, software developer. Technical writer is a growing field. E-learning consultant, multimedia technologies. These are the job opportunity of BCA. After BCA, students can go for full-time courses like MCA, MCIM, MMS, MBA, MSc IT. There is a lot of scope. Even they can go for other courses like NCST, CDAC courses. After BCA, they can go. If any inquiry, you can contact me. Thank you.